As a beginner swimmer, freestyle is a great place to start. Freestyle is the most popular stroke and is typically used as the base for most swim workouts. The stroke strikes a balance between rotation, power, and glide, challenging nearly all of the muscles in your body. Whether you call it freestyle or front crawl, master these 5 fundamentals to swim with more efficiency and less drag. 1. Head position. Head position is the foundation of good swimming. Your body takes cues from your head, meaning that if your head is in the wrong position, it could throw off your entire stroke and make you swim slower. Ideally, you'll look straight down at the bottom of the pool when swimming freestyle. This encourages your hips to stay high in the water, close to the surface. If you look forward too much, your hips will drop and create lots of extra resistance. The waterline should be in the middle of the crown of your head. It should feel like you're swimming downhill. 2. Breathing. Once you've got your head position down, it's time to add in breathing. We know breathing can be really challenging when you're new to swimming, and it can be tempting to lift your head straight up to catch your breath if you're really tired. Remember, lifting your head up will create more drag, making it even harder to keep moving forward. Instead, turn your head to the side, keeping one eye and one ear in the water. It may feel like you're going to inhale water, but your forward momentum will create a small air pocket that's just big enough for you to take a quick breath. As you get comfortable with the rotational nature of freestyle, you'll find that breathing gets easier. Keep practicing. 3. The pull. Now for the pull. Your hand should enter the water fingertips first, slightly wider than your shoulders. Think 11 and 1 on a clock. Reach and extend your arm forward and initiate an early vertical forearm, EVF. Bend at the elbow and pull straight back toward your feet, keeping your elbow nice and high. EVF turns your forearm into a huge paddle, allowing you to pull more water than you would with a straight arm. It's also easier on your shoulders, too. When your hand exits the water, keep your elbow high as you recover and re-enter the water. A good rule of thumb is to keep your elbow above your hand both above and below the water.